We packed for the beach. Hi, friends. Time for my travel tale that you won't believe. But yes, it really happened. So we booked a May holiday to San Lorenzo. Sunny, sandy, Spanish. You get the vibe. We packed swimsuits, flip-flops, sunscreen, even a beach ball. Bella the dog got a sun hat. We were ready. After the flight, we walked out of the airport in our shorts and sunglasses, ready to feel that warm breeze. Instead, we got hit by a snowstorm. And a man in a parka stared at us and said, "Are you okay? Did your plane crash here by mistake?" Turns out, we were in St. Lorenzo, Norway. Not the beach, the blizzard. My husband had misspelled the destination. One letter, one big oops. My daughter's lips turned blue. My son said, "Is this the ice bucket challenge?" Locals took selfies with us like we were a traveling circus. "Look, the tropical family has arrived." We checked into the hotel, free hot tea included, thank you, still in t-shirts. The receptionist looked at us and whispered to her colleague, "I think they're influencers or escaped from somewhere." But we decided not to cry into our frozen coconuts. Instead, we borrowed jackets, went sledding, tried ice fishing, and danced under the northern lights. Bella met a husky and fell in love. His name was Thor. It was serious. By the end of the week, we were walking in snow boots and saying, "Forget the beach, we're snow people now." Okay, we still missed the beach a little.